Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you guys can clear your search history in TikTok. So to do that, I'm just going to go to the Discover page and then you are going to select the search bar over here and then press see more. And then after that, I'm just going to press clear all. And it says clear search history. All your search history will be deleted and it can't be recovered. And then you're just going to you are just going to press clear. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!